In this video, I'm going to show you how to always open Firefox in private browsing mode on Windows step by step. This is a really useful setting if you want Firefox to avoid saving your browsing history, cookies, and site data every time you use it. It's especially helpful if you share your computer, want a little more privacy, or just prefer a cleaner browsing session from the start. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Windows and browser tips. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-line menu icon. This is the main menu for Firefox, and it gives you access to the browser's settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. Inside the settings page, you'll see a list of categories on the left side. Click Privacy and Security. This is where Firefox keeps all the options related to tracking protection, browsing history, cookies, and private browsing features. Now scroll down until you find the History section. Depending on your version of Firefox, this section may look slightly different, but the goal is the same. In the History section, click the drop-down or the option that says Choose what you want Firefox to remember. Once you select that, Firefox should reveal additional history options. If your version includes the setting, you'll see a checkbox labeled Always Use Private Browsing Mode. Check that box to enable it. When this is turned on, Firefox will open in private browsing mode by default. That means it won't keep a regular browsing history like it normally would, and it will behave more like a private session every time you launch the browser. Keep in mind though that private browsing does not make you invisible online. Your internet provider, websites you visit, and your workplace or school network may still be able to see activity depending on the connection. After enabling the setting, you can simply close settings. To make sure the change took effect, close Firefox completely and reopen it. If everything was set correctly, Firefox should now launch in private browsing mode automatically. If you don't see the option in your version, it may have been moved, renamed, or disabled depending on the Firefox release you're using, so it's always a good idea to keep Firefox updated. And that's it. Now you know how to always open Firefox in private browsing mode on Windows. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more simple browser tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.